Alright, so one wisdom from the Rebbe for today. So this week's Parsha starts off saying, Vayetzei Yaakov in Beersheva vayelech Harana. Yaakov went out of Beersheva and he went to Haran. Rashi says on this that the idea of Yaakov leaving Beersheva, why does it have to tell us that Yaakov left Beersheva? We knew here he was. And Rashi answers that when the tzaddik leaves a place, it makes a whole effect on the place. Its light, its excitement, its energy leaves the place with him. And this is the idea of why the Torah tells us that Yaakov left Beersheva. This is also another idea which is understood now based on the idea of the Orach Chaim, which the Orach Chaim explains that when it says that Yaakov left Beersheva and came to Haran, it's speaking about the neshama, the soul of a Jewish person comes down from godliness, comes down from heaven and comes into this physical world. Seemingly this is a big burden for it, and yet it comes down here in order to purify the world, because through Haran, through being in the physical world, it's able to serve godliness. Now the question is asked though, why does the Torah need to tell us that it left Beersheva, as Rashi says? Meaning, seemingly, why does the Torah have to tell us that the neshama goes out of heaven? The point is seemingly just the fact that it comes into the physical world. Not that the fact that it left heaven. Who cares that it left heaven? And on this Rashi answers that no. When a tzaddik leaves the city, meaning when the neshama leaves heaven, it makes a big effect on it. As when it's in the city, meaning the city of God, Ir Elokeinu, it's full of godliness, there's energy of God, the neshama is basking in God's light. But then it goes out of there and it leaves there. And that's a very, very difficult time because Pana Ziva, Pana Haida, the whole energy leaves it, the whole excitement of the neshama leaves it. And it's a very difficult challenge for it. And this is why the Torah tells us that that itself is already a worthy cause. That already is a big idea. And for that idea itself, we should already merit that the neshama should have a resting place of being able to go back to godliness, having godliness revealed down here, but the revelation of Mashiach may be right now. L'chaim, l'chaim.